With 2 fireplaces and an incredible bath layout, you have never seen a floor plan quite like this. That's why the Tuscany 45JA is a Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan.
In the 45JA, you are treated to reclining theater seats, a plush sofa, and a spacious buffet dinette. The captain's chair swivel and recline. All are perfect for relaxing in front of the fireplace or watching your favorites on the retractable TV with soundbar and Blu-ray player. And the Tuscany comes with a Winegard Traveler satellite dish. It's easy to discover the gourmet in you in this kitchen. Showing off solid surface countertops with pull-out extension, you have a large double bowl stainless steel sink, dual burner electric induction cooktop, pop-up outlet, dishwasher, convection microwave, and residential fridge. Over here, you have this gorgeous tile shower surround with teakwood seat and dual shower heads. Across, your dual sinks and vanities. The master bedroom is an escape of its own with a king-size tilt-a-view bed, large nightstands, a fireplace, and retractable TV. The Tuscany 45JA offers you a walk-in closet with shoe rack, counter space and storage, and a stackable washer and dryer. The drive is just as luxurious. The redesigned dash with soft touch surfaces features dual screens. The bottom is your backup and side view cameras. Up top, your Fusion infotainment system with RV navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth for hands-free calling and music, a media card reader, and your apps. The dash also features push-button start and a VIP smart wheel. You'll find more tech throughout the Tuscany with the multiplex wiring system. Because it is app-enabled, you can check tank levels, control lights, slides, set the auto gen start, and adjust the climate from either the full-color touchscreen or your favorite mobile device. Staying connected is easy with the secure connection of the Winegard Connect 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. And the Tuscany comes standard with the 200-watt solar charging system and the AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system. The 45JA is built on the trusted and true Atlas foundation, pushed with ease by the Cummins 8.9-liter engine with 450 horsepower and 1,250 pound-feet of torque. And with air ride suspension, you always get a smooth, stable ride, even when you put the 15,000-pound hitch to work. The exterior features pass-through storage in the heated basement with easy slide storage tray. You'll find a TV on a swivel with soundbar under the power awning and keyless entry. Luxury has a new name, Tuscany. This is the Tuscany 45JA. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.